believe in working smart, not hard. So when teacher gives me multiplication problems, I go home and give them to Scooby. Scooby, please do my homework. Next day I give teacher my multiplications thinking everything is creamy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's going on here? 2 times 2 equals...
Scooby, 2 times 2 does not equal... It equals...
4?
Yes, 4.
I understand. You want me to use human numbers.
Yes.
Okay.
Next day, I know everything gonna be creamy.
Hey,
What?
the name on here is Scooby. Did your dog do this homework?